Hello airsoft lovers. Today I want to make a review of all these 5 pistols, airsoft pistols. They are all striked fire airsoft pistols, which I love it, and I collect it for a few years. And today I want to share with you my experience, and you can choose the best one in your opinion and buy it and use it. So in a random order I place them here. So this is the latest Ghk 17 generation 5 from Ghk with the MOS slide. Here is the FNS-9 pistol, strike fired, from Vfc. This is the Cybergun Canik TP9 Elite Combat. Here is the Ghk G19x from Umarex Vfc. Now this is a combination of Glock 45 and Ghk 19x, because I personally like this model. So this is a lower from Glock 45 and with the upper slide of Ghk 19x to make it dual tone. And here is the CZ P10-C from Cybergun ASG, as I remember. Yeah, ASG is written here. So I want to review all these pistols and compare all the areas on each pistol. So okay, this is what I have for the moment. Of course, other strike fire pistols in airsoft world exist. We have the PPQ from Walter, very nice pistol. Then we have the VP9 from Heckler & Koch. Then the MNP9, Smith & Wesson, and the XDM, which I don't have all this. I had them. I have them already in another place, but not here. So this is what we're gonna talk about today. Now I want to start with the front sights and the sights actually. So I'll place them like this so we can compare. Now here I have, okay, this is the FNS. This has metal sights. On the back we have 2 white dots, and the front one dot. This was white, but I like to paint my front sight with high visibility fluorescent orange color, so you can easily pick up the line of sight. Yeah, and yeah, I like this. This is my good to go pistol for over like 3 years. I'm using it constantly, so it's very easy for me to play with this pistol. Then we have the latest Ghk Ghk 17 standard sights. I don't know why they didn't put 2 dots type sights like they have it on the latest generation 5 Glocks. Front sights, it's white. I will paint this also in orange. Then here I have the Canik, which comes with fiber optical sight. And the back there is nothing. So if you don't have a light, like daylight, you cannot. It will be very hard for you to have like a contrast from the sights to immediately acquire your targets. Then here we have the P10. This was white and I painted it orange. Comparing front and back sights, they have the same diameter, these dots. So for me it was better if this was slightly bigger than the two ones. Yeah, I don't know if I can compare with this, so you can easily make the difference. Yeah, what am I talking about? Why you need a bigger front sight? Okay, then this Ghk 19x. These are plastic sights, yeah, standard plastic sights. These are metal sights on the Canik, also on the P10, also are metal. On the Gloks are plastic sights here. For the ones who prefer metal sights, you have to pay extra for Gloks. Alright, now we talk about the outer barrels and markings and how they scratch. So I'll start with the FNS-9. So as you can see, it's scratched for so many years. Here is the marking. Let's see the outer barrel here. Again, some scratches. Alright, this GHK is new, but they all scratch here in this area. So some people put some scotch tape here, transparent scotch tape, to save it. Markings. These are the markings on the latest Ghk 17. Here the serial number matches also with this one. Yeah. Okay, this is lubed, no scratches here. Here are the same markings like on the Ghk 18. Sorry, Ghk 17 from GHK. Serial number. Here we have what we have here, nothing. Only scratches that they start to appear. The serial number and caliber. No scratches here. Okay, I forget to rack this one, but there are no scratches in here too. The Canik, what happened? My lock. So this is a Psy barrel. Yeah, you have very nice markings. Yeah, and no, maybe some scratches here, but not visible. Alright, it's written here what? Okay, licensed by Canik. Nice. Alright, now let's talk about the slides. Size slide serrations we have here in the front and the back. Yeah, very easy to rack it here, as you wish. From the front or from the back. Nice. Okay, here the same. Front and back. All fine. Here the Ghk 19 has only on the back, standard Ghk slide. Ghk 17 Gen 5 has front and back. Yeah, these are nice. And FNS-9. The slide is a bit narrow here in the top part, as you can see from here. These slides come down here. Yeah, you can rack it as you like. Markings on the slides. What markings we have here? These are the markings made in USA. These are embossed, which I like it, you know, they don't fade away. This slide I prefer to polish it because it was blackened to the years, was all the paint faded away here. So in the end I polished all of it, and here it is. I like it. Again, real markings here, very clear, deep engraved. Glock markings, serial numbers, and here like the real ones. Yeah, not that deep, but very clearly visible. Same here. Let me compare. This one on GHK are a bit wider, like thicker compared to the 19x. Alright, then we have the P10-C. Very nice engravings here. Caliber, and here they put caliber 6mm, which I cover with some black marker. I don't like this serial number here, it's too in contrast with the slide. Here we have a Canik 9mm caliber. I like this serial number. Yeah, better they put serial number like this engraved, you see. And the model, yeah, this has very nice markings. Alright, now let's I want to talk about the grip. So the grip, all these pistols have this cut here, so you can attach your flashlights or lasers. I have some random pistol flashlights here. Okay, forget about this one. Good, nice. I have the original Surefire brand. I forget to remove the sticker. So yeah, I like my flashlights to be flash with the front of the slide, yeah. And this model X-C1 is doing great on this Canik. Okay, I'll remove this later. So grip, then we have this grip serrations here, and then you have some extra grip extensions here to increase or decrease the palm grip on your hand. Yeah, you have large, medium, and small for hands. Yeah, we have some markings here. Here, where is it? Here, made in Taiwan. Taiwan. Maybe I'll stipple this area because it's supposed to be written made in Turkey, I believe, here, or USA. No, here. Where is it? Here, come on, zoom in. Is written warning, read safety manual. Nice markings here. This has a magwell, what is called magwell extension, standard. Okay, now CZ10 P10, made in Taiwan. Here supposed to be made in Czechia, as I remember, Czech Republic. Now we have a safety lock here. Okay, I cannot see here. Then anyway, this one I have stippled it like I want. Also, this comes with 3 grips extensions. Yeah, nice mark CZ logo here. And what else? That's it. Then on the Glock, okay, no markings on this side, only the Glock logo, and on this side again no markings, and this official license Glock, same here. No markings and the logo here. This generation 5 comes with a flared magwell, as you can see easily. Yeah. And this one, okay, this one was fully stippled by me. I like it like this anyway. So yeah, I kept the original logo here. I like it. And what else? I've cut it, the grip, so I can strip my mag. Logo here, and yeah, that's it, nothing else. Alright, now I want to talk about the trigger guard. Yeah, as you can see, trigger guard, this one is rounded, big, well, big enough for, I have large hands anyway, so a lot of space to use it to insert your finger with gloves. Yeah, let's see the other one. This one is smaller, but big enough to be used. I don't know if you can see, but it's slightly smaller than this one. Okay, both Glocks are the same. Okay, the lower part is the same, so yeah. Then we have the P10 has very simple grip, yeah, and have a lot of space here, squared angled grip, yeah, and also a lot of space here on the Canik. Okay, now let's talk about the trigger. How is the trigger and how is the reset? So all of them, they have the safety on the trigger. So let's see if the safety holds. Yeah, it's all fine. Yeah, so you have to press it. Yeah, and so let's see how is the reset. So I remove the safety, I go at the wall, I press and shoots. Reset slowly and shoot again. Okay, now let's see the CZ-P10. So safety is very, I like this, is very slim, let's say, and very soft spring here. So let's take the wall. This is the wall. This is a CO2 pistol, not gas like the other ones. So here is the wall. I press. Oh, there's very short travel. Reset. I like this trigger, yeah, it's very nice. Let's see the Glock 19. Oh, this one has a lot of trouble until it reaches the safety, as you can see. So let's go to the wall. Here is the wall. Very nice kick. Reset. This has a very clear, audible, and good feeling of the reset. Yeah. Let's hear the other one again. Ah, here, this one has also a click. Okay, let's see the other Glock. It's the Ghk. This is very hard. This is very hard. Come on. Okay, finally shoots. Very hard. Oh, god damn, it's so hard to press it. That's the problem with Ghk Glocks. Trigger is very hard. This is the system they are using. They had to make it like this, so this is the hardest trigger pull on all of the pistols. Yeah. So here's the wall, and then I'm pressing, and that's it. And here is my favorite one. So this has a different kind of safety. So let's see. I don't know where is the wall here. Maybe here. No. Here is the wall. So it's not clear where is this wall is. Try to reset. Very long reset. Then press again. Wait, I forget to press the slide release. So this one has a mushy trigger, very long travel to reset. Okay, later on I'll make a test with BBs shooting to see how it shoots. Alright, this is the trigger. What else now? Slide release buttons. Okay, so FNS-9 has a ambidextrous slide release, but you see this gap here, so this side it's really the one that holds the slide open. So but anyway, it's easy to press this one, and yeah, you can activate the other one too. Yeah. This one is extended, so you can press it from with easily with an easy motion to release it. Yeah. Then CZ, this one is very slim. You don't have much space here to press. This one on the right side is really not existent. Let's say it's really flush with the body, so it's hard to press it. And okay, let's see. So here you can press it from the left side. It's fine. But on the right side, the idea was to press here on the top and not on the side here. So if I'm using the side, come on, I have to use my nail. Nothing. Come on, nothing. Okay, so then I have to press on top here. So I scratch. Look, I scratch the paint with my nail. Come on. Okay, Ghk G19x. A lot of space here, and the bridge, how to call it, lip. So I can press this one. There's a gap here, so only this one holds. But anyway, you can lower it. This one too. Let's see, the 17 Ghk. This one holds here. What about the other side? I cannot see, but looks like this is holding also here. This is good enough, as you can see. Look, a lot of space here. Yeah, lip, so we can press this easily and release the slide. Let's talk about the Canik now. This one has a very long one. See, very much extended, yeah. And holds here on this side. On this side is the same, but there's nothing on this side that holds. Yeah, as you can see, there's no cut here on the slide, so it's activating on the other side. But this is the best, I say, compared to all the others. Alright, as you can see, all ambidextrous. Mag release button. Let's talk about mag release. So this Canik one has a mag release extended, so you can unscrew this one and will remain flush. You're gonna see the button flash. This can be a problem with the holsters, and you can accidentally press it and you can drop your mag if you don't pay attention. Yeah, so what I will do to this one, like I did to all my pistols, I inserted inside some tape to prevent self dropping of magazines when you press the mag release button. Yeah, so it doesn't drop. Like in the real ones, we don't want in the airsoft pistols to drop your mag, to break the lip and or the plates will immediately fly off. Yeah, and you can lose it. So do like this to all your pistols. It will sit better in your pistol. You have better gas seal on the nozzle here, and yeah, it's much recommended. Alright, so mag release button here. It's ambidextrous. I polished mine through the years, and because I don't like this extension here, you see. So compared to this side, I polish it a bit, flatten it out, so I like it now. It's the job. Yeah, that's why I've made this cut here, so I can strip the mags sometimes. Yeah. I forget to say on this side, let's see, it's working. No, it's not working. So you have to disassemble it and move it from left to right here. Okay, so it's not ambidextrous. Same with Glocks. You have to move it from left to right and vice versa. Look at this. This is the Ghk Ghk 17. Look how much they extended this compared to the Ghk 19. See, this is flash. This is very much extended. I don't know if you're gonna have issues with your holsters when you different holster and you press it next to your body, or I don't know, if you push it, this can drop. Let's see how fast can drop this. I'm pressing slowly, pressing. Okay, actually, yeah, there's a very stiff spring here, and yeah, it's not easily dropping by accident. Alright, that's good, but still, you can still polish and reduce the size of this button. Yeah, let's see if it's too flush. There can be a situation when this can fall under the grip and will remain stuck there, yeah, if you remove too much material. Yeah, so one more time, I'm pressing halfway now. Okay, now it's dropping. Alright, good. Let's see this one. So I'm pressing. Okay, this one is much shorter. about this one. This one is like this. I like it. My preferred one is the one on VP9, which has a paddle here, and you press the paddle down. It's flush with the trigger guard, so I like that type. So I'm pressing anyway. Sound doesn't work because also on this one I had the tape. And also I've cut here the mag grip. Alright, next we're gonna talk about the magazines. Alright, here this is a CO2. Personally, I don't like CO2 because CO2 mags that requires one hex key, that you must keep it with you. To open it, you need cartridges, insert it, tie it up again, and so on. And then the second reason that I don't like is that if you remove the cartridge and you keep it for a while, long storage time, the seals will get dry and you lose a good seal on the O-rings, and you have leakages. Okay, this is a how to call it, pot metal magazine, so it's heavy. The valve, it's flat. Okay, and yeah, already start to lose the paint here. There's a big mag plate here. Yeah, let's see if it's easily we can get it out easily. Let's say in the game you can lose it. I hope not, but anyway, let's see. Okay, move it totally. No. Okay. Alright. Then we have the GHK Glock. This is very light. This is aluminium, I believe. Very big gas valve. I forget what's the name of this router valve or something. Okay, then markings here. Now I still have the Glock generation 3 from GHK with steel slide, and comparing the max, they added this button here on the generation 5. Yeah, so you pull it down and you access your filling valve. Honestly, I don't like this type of hiding the valves, let's say, but for people who want a real, as much as real possible with a real Glock, they created this type of magazines. Okay, also enclosed here, and you can, it's very, for me it's not convenient to load only from here the magazine. Yeah, but it is what it is. You choose what do you like. Okay, FNS-9, I love these mags. I like the way they put the valve here, so you don't need to make a hole here. GHK could have done the same, just to put the valve here, and that's it. You keep the plate as real as possible. You don't need to remove it, you don't need to make a hole. So yeah, and this is a concave type of valve. This again pot metal, very heavy. Canik one. Okay, let's see Canik what they did. Okay, flash valve here. Pot metal. They added this extension plus 3 bullets, whatever. And to access it, the valve you just insert it through here. Is very nice. There's a tab here, you can pull it, and this I will add on some mag pulls. These are compatible with Glock Marui magazines. Yeah. Okay. These are standards WE valves. They make this type. And we have the VFC here, Umarex. This is my preferred type of magazine. Okay, this concave router to have better seal. Why this pin is extended? See how much is extended, but okay, doesn't mess up with your system. Very nice valves here. Markings to access the filling valve. You need to slide down this. And I like these ones because you can immediately pull down the spring, and up to here you can load your BBs. Yeah, compared to other Macs where you have to go down all the way. Okay, this is good. Which one I'm talking about? Here, I see this one. Yeah, you can see this one on the P10. You have to pull down all the way, and from here you have to reload your BBs. Alright, next topic, we have to talk about the internal mechanism. So alright, let's talk about the Glock. Okay, let me take out all the Macs now, because I have to remove the slides. So, alright, Canik and GHK are the only two which I can call it real strike fire pistols in airsoft because of the internals that they have. So, okay, let's compare it. Okay, let me see if I can remove this slide. Okay. Oh, nice grease. This is brand new. They have added nice grease. Let's see, Canik, how fast is? Okay, Canik is fast. So both of them are, as you can see. Okay, let's talk about GHK. Okay, it's a standard strike fire. There is no hammer that comes up like on the others. Yeah, so we just press and the valve, it's pushed forward and activate the valve release. Then what we have here, this is another strike fire pistol. Very interesting mechanisms. So only this you can see. Okay, and then all the rest, they have hammer type internals. Okay, this is the Glock 19, yeah. This is a standard type of hammer, yeah, with valve knocker and trigger bar. So you press and then this hammer goes forward. Okay, let's see the FNS-9. Okay, this one is again with the hammer. This is steel hammer, I like it. So you can see this is a very big hammer that you have to press. And then we have the CZ10. Easy to remove the slide. So there's a big, you can see very big hammer here. Same system like the Glock, yeah. This is a very big hammer. It's, you can see, pot metal. I hope it will not break. This is steel. And that's it. Now I'll put back the slides and add some BBs and shoot a few BBs. I forget to talk about the hop-up. Now let's talk about hop-up adjustment. So on this CZ, the hop-up adjustment, it's here. Here with one nail, you can move up and down and adjust your hop-up. Here on this FNS, you have internal wheel, so you have to every time to remove the slide and move front and back the wheel of the hop-up. Okay, let me put it back. This was a bit tricky to put it back, if I remember. Okay. Okay, and then we have the, which one is this? Ghk 19. Same hop-up, yeah, on the bottom like the previous model, yeah. Now the Canik, where is the Canik slide? Here, same wheel here. Okay, the famous Ghk. Which one is missing? Okay, finished. All here. Now I want to talk about the racking and how much force you need. Okay, this is very nice, clean, easily racking slide. You don't feel any resistance on the internal parts. Maybe here where it's touching the valve knocker. Okay, so there is no hammer to push compared to this Glock, which the slide, the blowback unit must push back the hammer. Yeah, so here, so up to here it's free, and then here the hammer must be pushed all the way back, so it needs a lot of force to pull it back. Yeah. And let's see this one. This one again has no hammer, so has a very nice smooth racking. Yeah. This one, I don't know, the spring, the returning spring, the spring guide, it's very powerful, so I'm thinking to cut one coil from the spring to let it move easier back. Yeah. Okay, and then we have here the CZ10, P10. Okay, here is the wall when it's meeting the hammer, and then a lot of force is needed to pull it back. Okay, first time, and the second time. Okay, it's a bit, still a lot of, here it's a lot of, it's a wall, and then some force too. Okay, here is the FNS. Okay, here is the wall of the hammer, and then push it back and lock it down. It's still, the wall is present here. And yeah, this is it. Alright, now we'll do some shooting test to see the recoil, and then I'll finish this video. Alright, now I'll take first the Canik mag. Okay, I'll add, okay, so 5 BBs. So I have a target there. Okay, well, let me put it. Okay, so this one being a gas, sorry, a strike fired, it has a strange feeling. You have to press stronger than the others. You can hear this psst, it's losing some gas if you press slowly on the trigger. Yeah, it's not like the Glock, for example, where you have the wall and then suddenly it shoots. So this one, okay, now I'll shoot very slow and you can hear again this gas. So there's a tiny loss of gas if you press slowly. So sometimes at the wall you need to press let's say stronger, not to lose that gas here. This one doesn't have a, let's say, I would say a strong and stiff and noticeable blowback. Let's say it's a bit weak due to the system that they have here. Now let's load the, which one is this? The Vfc Umarex G19x. Again, 5 VBs. I like this way to load faster VBs here. This one, as I remember, has a very nice kick. So here is the wall. Oh, very nice. Okay, and looks back. Look back. Oh, I like this one. Now let's see which one is this. The P10-C. Wrong BB loader. So you see there's a very small hole here to load your VBs. Okay. This one I like it, is very ergonomic, I forget to say. Compared to all the others, this is the most ergonomic one. Yeah, I like how it sits on my palm. I have stippled the grip. The original grip was a bit too rough. Okay, Glock 19. It's squared somehow. Yeah, seem like so 17 with 19. They have the same squared grips. I don't like it. This one, it's ergonomic, good enough. Yeah, this one, let's say it's good. Canik, it's ergonomic, but I don't like this pointy serrations here, and that I have L size hand, and look, my pinky, my finger, small finger here, it's covering the magwell, so I have to remove this magwell, so to have let's say a better grip. Okay, uniform grip. Okay, where was I? Let's go to the, so I have added the BB here. No, okay, one in the chamber. Let's shoot. So I like this trigger, is very fine. Oh, no more. And the CO2 is finished. Alright, and then the last one is the, no, there's one more. I forget about the Ghk Glock 17. Alright, let's do it with alright, this is the FNS-9, my favorite pistol. For years I'm using this. I like the very powerful kick. Let's see the wall here. So I'm pressing. Oh, the has a very strong, this has the strongest recoil from all these 5 pistols here. Amazing. Alright, let's see the Glock 17 from Ghk. Now, one thing I don't like is that you have to use this adapter. Okay, on the Generation 5 they send you in the box this BB loader with this adapter, but on the Gen 3 with the steel slide you have to buy it separately. So let's see how easily you can load this max. As I remember, you have to find the correct angle to load this. Okay, let's try this one. Come on, one. Okay, I've loaded some. I don't know how many. It's fine. Let's see. Okay, and now I'm shooting. Here is the wall. I'm pressing. Oh, strong kick. And that's it. I've just loaded with gas the magazine, and something strange with this magazine. Okay, no more BBs. Alright, now the last part, I will compare the dimensions and then I'll end up my review. Alright, except the Glock 17, which is not compact, I will compare these 4 which are compact. Let's say, alright, let's put the barrels, the tip of the, I will align the slides so you can see how they look on the slide size, let's say. So you can take your reference point from here, this barrel, external barrel opening here. So yeah, I will align all of them to see which one is longer. So TP9, sorry, TP9, it's the longest one, the longest slide in the front, as you can see. Alright, on the back, how is on the back? On the back, let's align this line on the barrels. I will align it so you can see which one is bigger. Alright, in sizes, okay, I will align the trigger. Okay, so the trigger is here, so you can see the angle of the grip. So this one has more palm, the FNS-9 has more material on your palm. Okay, let me turn on the other side. Yeah, you can see this part, it's a bit extended to have more grip in to fill up your palm. Okay, and these two, okay, you choose these two because they are tactical with extended barrels and threaded, so you can add a silencer if you want to go crazy. Yeah. Okay, the triggers are here, as you can see. Okay, it's not easy to, as you can see, I just dropped the mag on this Canik because of the extension of the mag release button. So really I need to remove that extension and add some tape inside. You see how much material have here on this extension grip here to fill up your palm. I love it. This creates ergonomy. Oh, you just saw this came out. So sometimes this can happen, which I don't like. Alright, and if you want to compare with the iconic Ghk 17, okay, 17 with 19 are like this. So from the barrel here, you see this line here. This is half centimeter longer, and also on the back it's longer, as you can see. Yeah, from the sides. Then we have the P10-C, as you can see here. The slide is so much longer. Okay, but the barrels, external barrels and inner barrels actually are the same. On the back it's longer, the P10. Okay, then we have the Canik. Okay, here, oh, so much longer Canik in the back, you can see. Wait to put it back again like this. I forget to say, Canik is the only one that has this indicator when your mag is loaded, when your the trigger mechanism is ready to shoot. So if you press it, this goes inside. I love this. It's an interesting feature. And then these two, and we finish. So 17 with FNS-9. Actually, I didn't compare these two. Or I did, and I forget. These are the most compact ones, which I like it. Okay, these are the tactical ones, which I like it, because yeah, we are crazy for guns. And that's it. Well, let me put them back. So you can say goodbye to them and to my review. Okay, that's it. Have a good watch and decide which one you can buy. See you next time.